You can make $120,000 a year and eat ramen for dinner. And you can make $70,000 and take 2 vacations, sleep 8 hours, and never once check your bank balance before buying groceries. Same economy, same country, completely different lives. And the reason has nothing to do with discipline, nothing to do with luck, and absolutely nothing to do with the number on the offer letter. Meet Derek and Simone. Derek just landed his dream job, $120,000 a year. He texted everyone. His mom cried. Simone makes $70,000 at a company she's worked at for 6 years. No announcement, no celebration text, just direct deposit every other Friday, quiet as always. 6 months later, Derek is stressed about money. Simone just booked flights to Portugal. My name is Nick, and I've spent an uncomfortable amount of time reverse engineering why higher salaries so often produce lower actual lives. Today, we're pulling apart the salary illusion, the gap between what a number sounds like and what it actually buys you. By the end of this, you will never look at a job offer the same way again. Let's start with the number nobody puts in the offer letter. Derek's $120,000 sounds like freedom, but before Derek sees a single dollar, the government has already had a conversation with his paycheck that Derek wasn't invited to. Federal income tax, state income tax, Social Security, Medicare. By the time that $120,000 clears the gauntlet, Derek is taking home around $84,000. That's $7,000 a month. Simone's $70,000 after the same process lands at around $55,000, about $4,580 a month. Derek takes home $2,420 more per month. That's real. But watch what happens when we follow that money to where it actually goes. Derek's job pays $120,000 for a reason. It's in a city, which means Derek's rent is $2,400 a month.